My name's Heidi Sottovia, and my home search was relatively short. I was moving across the state, and so I knew I needed to build and make that the easiest process that I would have because the market was so competitive. I chose Allen Edwin due to a couple referrals. I had a coworker referral and a friend referral, and when they introduced me to Lori Lewis, it made it very simple knowing that she would be my sales partner to walk me through this process. I built in the Rolling Meadows community in Hudsonville, and I have the Integrity 1610, which is a ranch. My favorite part about my new home is pretty much all of it. It's spacious and open, and it's main floor living, so it's great to be able to do laundry while I'm cooking without having to run up and down stairs, and have my office right there as well inside my house. The favorite part about my community is the neighbors that I've made friendships with, and we're already willing to help each other out. We have a great street already, so it's been fun to watch that grow. What I loved most about my experience with working with Allen Edwin was the people that I was working with. So Lori Lewis, my sales partner, and Jonathan, my project manager, and then the team at the design studio were always great with their communication, timely with it, and then very clear on making sure I knew what the process was. As far as other home types that I was looking at, I was always looking for a ranch style, and then I did compare them with a couple other builders, but overall, Allen Edwin was the best solution due to their reputation. Everyone I kept talking to said it would be the easiest, smoothest process going through Allen Edwin.